Today we are unboxing Wendy's Triple Berry Frosty. This is the kid size. It's $1.49 regularly, but I bought a sheet of coupons for $1 that gave me 5 free items for $1. It was a fundraiser. So there you go. This told it out to be 0, so this was free. Look at that. It's purple or pink. It's very creamy. I let it defrost a little bit. I would suggest to order your entrees, then come back and order the dessert when you're finished. It has the consistency of a perfectly made shake. Watch this. It's a happy mustache. Lipstick, anybody? Kiss me. That's a flavor saver. You're missing out. The size is little, but it's about perfect for a treat. Cutest little cup in the world. It really goes good after a nice bean brunch. There you go. I hope you're not whacking off to this. You wash it down with some cold water. Perfect. I made a bean lunch, canned bean lunch. Perfect. Thanks for watching.